ORBIS Europe develops and manufactures reusable plastic packaging solutions, including standard container and pallet designs, as well as customer-specific packaging solutions. ORBIS's plastic foldable large containers and pallets can be used in a variety of different industries. With European and American standard footprints, they provide sustainable and efficient alternatives to steel, wood and one-way packaging. ORBIS's packaging experts work with you to find the right packaging solution to solve your supply chain challenges. We support with qualified consulting including TCO calculations, in-house dunnage design and UN certification. At ORBIS we use high-pressure injection molding for most of our pallets and low-pressure structural foam molding for our containers. During high-pressure injection molding, the melted plastic is injected under high pressure until it fills a closed cavity mold. During low-pressure structural foam molding, the melted plastic is mixed with additives and injected into a closed cavity mold under low pressure. By using high percentages of recycled material during production and reducing water and energy usage wherever possible, saving resources and CO2 emissions starts at the manufacturing process. ORBIS's bulk bins and pallets are designed for a long service life and an attractive ROI.